Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. The video follows a team investigating Siren Head, a massive creature said to haunt 3 locations: a forest, an abandoned car park, and an empty mall. They use a drone to look for signs, observing trees knocked down, crushed cars, and strange noises from sirens that could lure victims. The drone footage captures unsettling disturbances in the forest, and the team suspects Siren Head is nearby or using the area to harvest parts to create sounds to lure people. After retrieving the drone, they race to the abandoned car park, where they believe Siren Head is preparing another trap by using car sounds to lure someone in. The drone goes offline, but the crew recovers it and follows clues to a desolate mall, where they hear radio interference and feel the building tremble as Siren Head appears. They discover Siren Head connected to a power source inside the mall and devise a plan to overload and electrocute him. One member distracts Siren Head while the other turns a dial to maximum power. They trigger a massive surge, believing Siren Head is blown up, and celebrate as they escape to present the evidence to the police, urging viewers to like and subscribe.